Hello everyone and welcome back to Pixie Dust and Parenting. If you are new here, hi, I'm Allison. Normally I'd be using ring light, but it's dark and my kids are in bed, so this is the only time I can shoot the video. But the ring light was giving such a bad glare off my glasses. I was like, you know what, whatever, we're just gonna have to use overhead light today, so I'm sorry about the lighting. But this should still be a really fun video that I'm super excited to share with you. My friend Christy over at Christy's Corner asked me if I wanted to do a decor swap. I thought this would be super fun. It's not something I've ever really done before. I don't participate in a ton of swaps, mainly because I think my channel does a lot with like just Disney travel. And I know there are a lot of amazing swappers out there who do cool boxes, and I just thought it would be fun. We got to make some of our decor pieces, and that's actually gonna be the first part of this video. So you're gonna see me make one of the 3 things that I made for Sammy, who was my person, and I will link everybody down in the description box below. First, let's get started on that first DIY. So let's start off with supplies. I got 9 of those from the Dollar Tree, some hot glue and a hot glue gun, some white poster board, some E6000, some black chalkboard paint, as well as a big sponge brush. I also got this little welcome sign that was also from the Dollar Tree, and I started off by just taking off the backs of these like picture frames. So you can see that I'm taking off the thing because we're going to connect them all together, so they don't need to have that backing on them. And then I just set them up to see kind of how I wanted them arranged. I had this idea in my head, luckily it worked out. And then I just hot glued the sides, and this was more just for like quick stabilization. The long-term stabilization is really going to be with that white poster board as well as the E6000. So you'll see me just glue those together.
Did not make you smile. Did not make you feel like you were happy for a while. I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine.
So next I measured this. Oh, you can see my dog right there. So next I measured the poster board to fit the back because I am going to glue it on the back. First I'm going to cut it with some scissors. I didn't include that in my supplies, but you're always going to need scissors, I feel like, with my DIYs. And then I just added some E6000 all over the entire back. I started with E6000, and then you'll see that I am going to glue it on for like a quick glue with the hot glue. Like I said, the E6000 is for long-term stabilization, and the hot glue is so that I can start working with it now. And then I just went around and secured the sides as well.
But I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine.
And then I just painted the back with some black chalkboard paint. That's pretty much it, and I let it dry.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry?
And then this is the part that I thought really elevated the whole look. I added this really cute gold welcome sign as well as some greenery. Obviously, you can put whatever you want. If you want to put in like pictures with friends or other kinds of flowers or a different kind of sign, but this is how I designed it so that it would match Sammy's house.
I let you down, and I know that
And this is how it turned out. I was so happy, and I know Sammy was really happy, and that's what really mattered to me. So I hope you enjoyed that DIY. It actually turned out so much better than I even anticipated. I'm definitely gonna have to make one for myself because I was just really happy about it. It was so easy to do, and I just had a great time doing it. But let's hop into my swap box. So I actually got this swap box. I'm so sorry to my person. I don't know who you are yet, but I actually got it like over a month ago. We had to push this swap because it just timing wasn't working out. And so I still haven't opened this box, and I'm really sorry it took me so long. I just haven't been able to shoot, and I'm finally getting to, and so I'm really excited. So let me first open this. Oh, look at this cute little card. Look at that little figment. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, it's Nicole over at EARresistable Magic. I know exactly who this is. Oh, this is so sweet. This is so sweet. This is just a really nice note. I'm not going to read it because it's personal, but it was really sweet. We all know I'm a crier on this channel, so... This is how it looks when I first opened it. It's got this really cute Mickey paper. Oh my gosh. She's got this really... Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, wait, hang on. It's like a little Mickey cutting board. It looks like she burned it with wood. Like did a wood burned it with wood. Oh my gosh. It looks like she did like a little wood carving with Mickey. That is so cute. I have the perfect spot for it. Okay, I found flowers. I'm wondering if flowers are gonna go in something. And these are really beautiful. I love these like white flowers. Okay, this is exciting. This is like very heavily wrapped, which I appreciate because I'm guessing that it's fragile. It did say fragile all over the box. This is so cool. Oh, I'm trying to get it out. Oh, look, it's got like little, look, they're like little artsy Mickeys. They remind me of, it reminds me of the Festival of the Arts over at Epcot, like totally 100%. These flowers go in here. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. This is super cute. Oh, look at the big one. I like that a lot. Okay, and then we got one more little guy right here. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna lose it. Oh, it's Snow White with like little Hanukkah candles. Wait, this is so cute. Look at the back. So here are the little 7 dwarfs. And then look at Snow White with little Hanukkah candles. There we go. But it's nesting dolls. So here. Okay. Oh my god. This is really special. There aren't any Disney like holiday anything. Okay, so here's Cinderella with like the clock and the shoes. These are so freaking cute. I'm like, here's Sleeping Beauty with like a little dreidel. And then you've got the little spindle on the back. Is that right? Spindle? Is that what it's called? Okay, I am obsessed with this. You should sell these. These are so cool. So here is Ariel. And then on the back, it's got like a little seashell for her voice. And there's one more little guy I saw in here. It's Tinkerbell. My favorite. So here's Tink. And then here's a little bit of pixie dust on the back. This makes me want to cry because there are no, like, Disney just never puts out any like Hanukkah stuff. Like, just not in the same like capacity as they do Christmas. I just wish we had a little bit more, just like a little bit more. I'm not asking for a ton, but like maybe a menorah here and there, or like some really cute nesting dolls. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up. Make sure to check out all the other people who are in this swap down below. I will link everybody down below. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to stick around, I would love for you to subscribe. And like I said, while this isn't my usual content, I really enjoy doing stuff like this, and I'm so grateful that Christy asked me to be a part of it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!